Good afternoon. It is February the 3rd, 2017. Time to wrap up today's trading and take a look at Monday morning. Start with the usual disclaimer. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as the lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we came in today on the E-mini down. It was a Newsday trade, and all the news was positive for the E-mini. We had this one quick move up, and it did slow down. This 87 was a clean break in the market, and it paused the market for a bit, but all the news today was good. All the economic news, factory orders, ISM services, non-farm payrolls numbers, and the market has traded up. And that's what it should do. So this gives us a little bit of encouragement that maybe the E-mini is going to start following fundamentals a little bit better. 23 is close enough, 2300, that it could make it this afternoon. It's not acting like it, but the 50 lot trader is certainly on the long side. And again, the trades were just very, very slow to develop. That B were 1 to 2 point winners. S, break even. I mean, if you just didn't come in and get long right back in here on the news, it was very, very slow going. And then there's nothing right there. I mean, that's scalping for a tick or two. So we still have the same problem that we always have in the E-mini. Buy or sell the opening and hang on till midday or the close, and you got yourself the trade. I wish that would change, but haven't seen a lot that said that it is. Big day to the upside off of the news, and we are poised to put in new highs. So F1 says find a place to buy it. F2, definitely B. Time and volume are matched. It says find a place to buy it. So here we are buying 91s to 89s in London by 1. 85, 87 by 2. Sell failure to take out 95. And second sell be 99 to 01 for S2. I think we're headed to new highs here. So I like the long side of the market. Treasuries are telling us we're headed to new highs. No news on Monday to speak of. Labor market conditions indicator. Nobody will pay any attention to that. Treasury got hit pretty hard today. Outside days suggest trading range. Next week is an auction week. 3, 10, and 30-year auctions. F2 screen is going to say find a place to sell it. New distribution started down in I period. So GHRI is when we look for new moves. That's and right now the bottom of support is held. So 1 to 5, buy 1. 11 to 15, sell 1. 19 to 23, sell 2. And then down below 25, 29, buy 2. Looking at the 30-year, new distribution lower. Last rotate up was 8, so 4 to 8, number 1. 11 to 15, sell 1. 23, 27, sell 2. On the buy side, 24 to 28, buy 1. Or the first support band, so 17 to 21, buy 1. 5 to 9, buy 2. Gold had a pretty good day to the upside, a little better than the treasuries did. Did sell, but not as much as the treasuries did. Lower high, lower low on F1. Find a place to sell it. And what we're trying to do, we're looking at different time frames, is to get all the time frames aligned. And if they're all aligned, it gives you a much stronger trade. Definitely have a seller at 20. So 2022 sell 1, 24.26 sell 2. On the buy side, 14 to 16 buy 1, 10 to 12 buy 2. So we're trying to buy 10s to 15s and sell 20s to 25s. Okay, crude, we got some great trades this morning. Hopefully everybody got in there. I mean, it was a big day. 85 ticks on 2 trades. The 2 first Rich Genders trade. You could have picked up more on Rich Gender trades later. Rich Genders quits trading when he has caught that much money early in the session. Crude oil, lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell it. Looking at the F2 screen. Really hanging in there pretty well. Think about it. Pretty close to a D pattern, leaning B, so I think we're right where we were this morning. 54, 54 and a quarter, sell 1. 54.50, 54.75, sell 2. On the buy side, 53.50, 53 and a quarter, buy 1, and 53 even, 52.75 buy 2. The news today fundamentally was good for crude. Economy getting better, more people going back to work, more people buying gasoline. And lastly, the euro. Lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell it on the F1 screen. And kind of all over the map here. On the news was bad news for the euro, yet it managed to rally through a deep period, as did treasuries and gold. So 108 even, sell 1, top of value. 108.20 to 30, sell 2. On the downside, 70 to 75 buy 1. 40 to 50 buy 2. And that does it for this February the 3rd, 2017. I hope you all have a great weekend. May your football team win. Come Sunday. I'll see you bright and early Monday morning.